So I'm always making a mess in the kitchen, and so I wanted to try this out. It was sent to me as a gift. It's like a utensil and a lid holder, so let's go ahead and put it together. All right, so this is what it looks like. I did have to put this together, but it took 2 seconds. I basically just had to put this in here, and this is silicone, and then the part that I had to put together makes this part sturdy. All right, so let's try this out. So when I'm cooking, of course, I'll have a spatula that I can place right there, and then it does have this holder right here. You can just place this in here. So I wanted to see if it was like this. So you definitely can choose how you want it to lay in there. So you can bring it all the way here if you wanted to, but I probably wouldn't do that for this one because it may slip and fall, but I think my comfort level is right there, and that holds it up just fine. And then my spatula is here. You can lay it like this if you wanted to, but this one I feel fits better sideways like that. So actually this can go like this for the holder, and then that leaves you a place to put more things on here, which I was cooking today, so it allows you to put more things on here. So now everything has a place. It's not on your counter, it's not dripping everywhere. Hopefully that will help me stay a little bit cleaner so that I'm not always having to wipe down my counters so much. I always give them a good wipe down, but if I don't have to scrub so much with things that are sticky, that would be a plus. And of course, it keeps everything in one place when I'm cooking. Having a place to set everything on just helps me stay organized. The fact that it's silicone, it's easy to wash and dry, and you can put a lot on there. I put a spatula, and then I had a tong, and then another cooking utensil, and then it's still holding the lid. So if you're looking to upgrade and stay more organized while you're cooking, you should definitely check this one out.